Mr. Speaker, sir, the Office of the Attorney General is allocated 9.8 million in the next financial year to continue delivering legal services across government and supporting key national reforms. Government remains committed to ensuring that Fiji's laws remains modern, relevant, and fit for purpose. Accordingly, the Fiji Law Reform Commission is allocated 750,000 to continue its program of legislative review, stakeholder consultations, and law reform initiatives. In addition, government is providing 1 million to support the work of the Constitutional Review Commission. This funding will facilitate national-wide stakeholder consultations across 104 communities, public awareness and civic education program, including media engagement and other activities to ensure that Fiji and the Fijians have the opportunity to meaningfully participate in the constitutional review process.